Are you tired of spending hours fixing fonts, adjusting headings, and aligning layouts just to keep your documents on brand? Struggling to maintain consistency across teams and departments? It's frustrating, time-consuming, and takes your focus away from what really matters, your content. But it doesn't have to be this way. Introducing the Formatter, your one-click solution for effortless on-brand document formatting in Microsoft Word. With the Formatter add-in for Microsoft Word, applying your organization's brand styles has never been easier. Simply open the add-in, select a predefined style sheet you want to apply, and watch your document transform instantly. Fonts, colors, headings, and lists all aligned with the style sheet you just applied. No more manual adjustments. The Formatter ensures every document looks polished and professional every time. If you want to stop wasting time on manual formatting, ensure brand consistency, and create professional documents effortlessly, the Formatter is the app you need.